What if I told you there was a bundle of 5 automated trading strategies for the Micro E-mini S&P that has been profitable through every type of market we have seen in the last 6 years? COVID crash, bear market, bull runs, tariff chaos, all of it. $9,000 in profit, 1,500 trades, and the whole bundle only dipped $587 below zero before climbing to profitability. No coding, no screen time, no emotional trading. Today I am breaking down the MES Micro E-mini S&P strategy bundle from TurnKey Futures Strategies, and I am going to show you the data live. Let us get into it. The MES bundle is 5 fully automated trading strategies built specifically for Micro E-mini S&P 500 futures. Each one attacks the market from a completely different angle. You have got gap strategies, opening range breakouts, pullback scalps, short side trades, and reversals. The reason this bundle works is because these strategies complement each other. When one hits a flat stretch, the others pick it up. No single market condition can knock all 5 out at the same time, and what makes this data so strong is the sample size. We are looking at 75 months of backtested data going back to January 2020. That is over 6 years, and that is as far back as NinjaTrader allows us to test. So this data covers the COVID crash and recovery in 2020, the post-COVID bull run in 2021, the inflation and rate hike bear market in 2022, the banking crisis in 2023, the AI-driven rally and election year volatility in 2024, and the tariffs, trade war, and geopolitical uncertainty we are dealing with right now in 2025 and 2026. These strategies have been through it all. Now let me walk you through each one. First up, GapFade. This is the most consistent strategy in the bundle. It has a 75.5% win rate. That means 3 out of every 4 trades are winners. It has a profit factor of 1.89, meaning for every dollar it loses, it makes back almost 2. It has fired 94 trades, pulled in $1,152 in profit, and here's the standout number, it has never gone negative. The equity curve on this one has stayed above 0 from the very first trade. That kind of consistency is rare. Next, ORB Long. This one is a breakout strategy on the long side, and it is all about letting winners run while cutting losers fast. The win rate is only 25%, but do not let that fool you. When it wins big. The average winner is $123 versus an average loser of just $36. That is a 3.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio. The largest single winner was $637.50, while the largest loser was only $53.75. It has pulled in $2,432 across 495 trades. Third is ORB Pullback. This one is a quick scalp trade. It gets in, it gets out. It has a 55% win rate with 656 trades, which is the most in the entire bundle. That massive sample size gives us a lot of confidence in the edge. The average loser is only $46.21, and the largest losing trade was just $51.25. This strategy keeps losses extremely tight. It has produced $2,587 in profit, making it the highest dollar earner in the bundle. Now here is where it gets interesting. ORB Short. This is the short side strategy, and the numbers on this one are impressive. The average winner is $249 versus an average loser of just $36. That is nearly a 7 to 1 reward to risk ratio, but the real headline is the largest winner, $978.75, off one single micro contract. And the largest loser? Only $42.50. That is over a 23 to 1 trade. This strategy is designed to squeeze every bit of profit out of its winning trades while keeping losses as small as possible. It has a profit factor of 1.66 and has produced $1,395 across just 71 trades. And finally, RC Reversal. This is the only strategy in the bundle that trades both long and short, which means it can catch moves in either direction. The largest winner was $685, and the equity curve only went $73.75 negative before turning profitable. It has produced $1,437 across 234 trades with a profit factor of 1.31. Alright, now here's the fun part. I am going to load each strategy into our equity curve builder live, one at a time, so you can watch the combined curve build in real time. No tricks, no editing, just the raw trade data. Let me start with GapFade. There it is. 94 trades, $1,152. You can see it never dips below 0. Steady climber. Now let me add ORB Pullback on top. Watch the curve. 656 more trades coming in. See how the combined performance smooths out even more. Where one pulls back, the other pushes forward. Now RC reversal. 234 trades that catch moves in both directions. Watch how the curve keeps building. Adding ORB short. Only 71 trades, but these are the ones with the massive reward to risk. When this strategy wins, it wins big. Watch what it does to the curve. And here comes the last one. ORB Long. 495 trades. This one adds the big breakout moves on top of everything else, and watch that curve climb. There it is. 5 strategies, 1,550 trades, $9,005 in total profit on a single contract, a profit factor of 1.26, an average winner of $64 versus an average loser of only $40, and the whole bundle only went $587.50 into the red before climbing to where it is now. That is the power of running multiple strategies that complement each other, through COVID, through the bear market, through tariffs, through all of it. Now I want to take a second to talk about why this bundle approach matters. You could run any one of these strategies on its own and make money, but the real power is in running them together. Each strategy is designed to catch a different type of market move. GapFade catches gap plays. ORB Long catches breakouts to the upside. ORB Pullback grabs quick scalps on pullbacks. ORB Short catches downside moves when the market sells off. And RC Reversal catches turns in both directions. So no matter what the market is doing, whether it is trending, chopping, gapping, or reversing, at least one of these strategies is in its element. When one goes through a flat stretch, the others are there to carry the load. And that is exactly what the equity curve shows. Over 6 years and 1,500 trades, the combined curve just keeps grinding higher. And just like all of our bundles, everything I have shown you is based on a single contract, one Micro E-mini S&P contract. The margin is small, which means almost any account can get started, but as your account grows, you scale up. 2 contracts, 5, 10. The math is simple. At 1 contract, $9,005. At 5 contracts, $45,000. At 10 contracts, $90,000. Same strategies, same automation, just more size. And that $587 max drawdown on 1 contract, that tells you the risk has been managed well even through the worst market conditions in recent history. Now, the MES bundle is just one of 6 instrument bundles in the TurnKey Futures Strategies suite. We cover the S&P, NASDAQ, gold, crude oil, Russell, and silver. 21 strategies total across all 6 instruments. Each one gets its own dedicated breakdown video just like this one. And once we have covered them all, we are bringing everything together in one video showing the complete suite combined. You do not want to miss that. We are currently in the process of getting approved on the NinjaTrader ecosystem, so you can download and run these strategies on your own platform. As soon as that goes live, we will put out a video with the direct link. So make sure you are subscribed and notifications are on so you are the first to know. And if you found this breakdown useful, drop a comment below. Let us know what instrument you want to see next. Like the video, share it with a trading buddy, and we will see you in the next one.